Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign an affidavit of support. First, it's crucial to understand the purpose of this legal document, which is to show that an intending immigrant has adequate financial support and will not become a public charge. Next, identify the correct form, typically Form I-864, for your specific immigration case. Finally, gather all necessary documents, such as tax returns and proof of income, before you begin filling out any paperwork. When completing the affidavit of support, specifically Form I-864, accuracy is paramount. You'll need to provide detailed personal and financial information about yourself, the sponsor, and the intending immigrant. This includes your household size, income, and assets. Ensure every section is filled out completely and truthfully. Any omissions or errors could lead to significant delays in the immigration process, so double-check all entries carefully before moving forward. Supporting documentation is vital for a successful affidavit of support. You must attach proof of your income, typically your most recent 3 years of federal income tax returns, including all W-2 forms and any 1099 forms. If your income alone isn't sufficient, you can include evidence of assets, such as bank statements or property deeds. Additionally, provide proof of your U.S. citizenship or lawful permanent residency, like a birth certificate or green card. Once you've completed the form and gathered all supporting documents, the final step is signing and submission. Carefully review all information one last time. The form must be signed by you, the sponsor, and in some cases, it may require notarization, so check the specific instructions for your situation. Make sure to keep a complete copy of the entire package for your records before submitting it to the appropriate government agency, ensuring a smooth process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.